This is the Eastern Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Thursday, January 18th. So key points to go over is our winds will be subsiding this afternoon. Snow is ending across the region, and we are still dealing with some areas of blowing and drifting snow, especially this morning. Light rain / snow chances will continue through the weekend, and we are looking at warmer temperatures continuing through the weekend as well. Looking at our satellite image this morning, you see our system has reasonably departed the area. Still dealing with a little bit of residual rain and snow showers running around. Weak high pressure trying to build into the region today. Weather risk outlook, looking at minor to still some moderate impacts, especially across the southeastern highlands, mainly due to windy conditions and blowing and drifting snow. Otherwise, through the remainder of the weekend, just looking at scattered showers, light rain and snow showers really through most of the weekend. We do have a handful of winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings in effect still today. We do expect that many of these will be dropping off this morning, later this morning, and into the early afternoon hours as well. So this looking at our wind gusts this morning, peak wind forecast for this morning. Still seeing some strong wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour in many areas. But you see as we move into the afternoon hours, those winds will be starting to work down. And then as we go into the evening, winds die off very quickly by the evening hours. Snowfall amounts for the remainder of the day after 6 a.m. Looking at very light amounts in the valleys, still up to 2 to 4 inches maybe up in the mountains up above 6,000 feet. And then here's looking at our snow amount forecast for tonight. Very light snow amounts possible, mainly across the high country. High temperatures today generally in the 30s across much of the region, and then our low temperatures going into Friday morning will dip back below freezing in most areas. Snow amount forecast for Friday, very, very light amounts of snow, mainly across the eastern highlands and a little bit up into the Sawtooth region. Snow amounts for Friday night, very, very light amounts once again. And then wind gusts Friday, pretty light winds for the most part. Not looking at a whole lot of wind there on Friday. And just looking at your high temperature forecast Friday, many areas once again getting above freezing, and then dipping back below freezing for Saturday morning. And then looking at our high temperatures as we go into the weekend for Saturday, seeing temperatures in the upper 30s to maybe even around 40 in many locations. Low temperatures for Sunday morning, near or slightly below freezing across many areas. And here's looking at our snowfall amounts for Saturday. Once again, very light accumulations possible, mainly across the high country. And snowfall amounts for Saturday night, once again, a little bit more widespread, but still looking at very, very light snowfall amounts. And this is looking at your wind gusts for Saturday, generally light winds across most of the region. So just to summarize, winds subsiding this afternoon with snow ending. Still some areas of blowing and drifting snow, especially this morning. Light rain and snow chances will continue through the weekend. With warmer temperatures continuing as well. That concludes this morning's briefing. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Thank you.